Holystone HS260 drone with camera, less than 7.1 ounces, HD camera, foldable, for beginners, flight time. 28 minutes, includes 2 batteries, storage case, optical flow function, track flight mode, stable flight, altitude maintenance, mode to half-free conversion. Comes with optical floor, good stability. Although it is a small drone with optical flow positioning, it also includes a barometric pressure sensor for more stable operation. Provides excellent stability, especially when stealing indoors. Less than 7.1 ounces and foldable. When equipped with 1 battery, it becomes 5.0 ounces and is a small drone under 200. In addition, the arm has a folding design. Equipped with 1080p HD camera. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz 1080p Wi-Fi camera, so you can experience aerial photography as you want to the full extent you want. Also, the camera angle can be adjusted to 90 degrees, so you can record scenery from each angle. Up to 28 minutes of flying. Comes with 2 modular batteries that are convenient to charge and replace, so you can enjoy up to 28 minutes of flight time. When you carry 2 batteries together in the storage case, you don't have to do it. Multifunction operation via app. Connect the fuselage Wi-Fi with your smartphone, and you can experience a variety of features such as gesture shooting, sensory control, and trajectory flying. Furthermore, you can control your drone freely.